Hello, I'm here to talk about backlinks definition, what are backlinks and why they are important. What are backlinks? Backlinks are links that are directed towards your website. The number of backlinks is an indication of the popularity or importance of that website. Backlinks are important for SEO because Google gives more credit to websites that have a good number of quality backlinks and good content. What are the best backlinks for your website? A search engine considers the content of the sites to determine the quality of a link. When inbound links to your site come from other sites, and those sites have content related, these links are considered relevant to your site. If inbound links are found on sites with unrelated content, they are considered less relevant. The higher the relevance of inbound links, the greater their quality. What is the best way to get backlinks to your site? 1. Social media. Likes and shares from posts on your websites will generate high-quality links. 2. YouTube. Making a nice video based on the keyword you're targeting. 3. Article directories. Submitting articles to article directories like Design Article build great links for free. 4. Blog comments. Commenting on blogs with related content to your website will build relevant backlinks. 5. Question and answer sites. Site like Yahoo Answers and Quora can generate tons of traffic and backlinks. A constant supply of content on these sites with your website will generate backlinks and visitors to your site, resulting in more sales. These backlinking tactics only take an hour or two daily to build a solid foundation for your website and generate traffic for years to come. The result of a good backlinking strategy will help increase your ranking on Google, equaling more visitors and bigger profits in return. Thanks for watching. Please click the link in description for more information.